guys, I'm Kenneth from A-Forge. A-Forge specializes in forging parts, tubes, hydroforming tubes, and also gravity casting. We are the Taiwanese company that's based in Shenzhen, Nantong, Tianjin, and now we have a factory in Vietnam. In this year's Taichung Bike Week, we have a new product, a new open model that's presented to the public this year. Our new open model is a hydroform down tube with motor bracket in one piece. We got a patent for this since 2018 in Taiwan, China, and Germany. If you guys are interested in our new open model, please contact us through our website at aforge.com.tw. Thank you.